Hi everyone, this is Michael from webhostingcat.com, and in this video we're going to take a look at VPS Web Hosting. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. What does that mean? For the answer, let's take a step back and look at your choices for web hosting. With the shared hosting plan, you share a web server with other customers of your web hosting company. That means you're sharing all the resources such as CPU, memory, and storage. Now on the other end of the spectrum, you have dedicated hosting, where you have your own server all to yourself. However, a dedicated server will cost you a lot more money. Now, VPS hosting is a great solution, giving you many of the benefits of a dedicated server at a much lower cost. Although with VPS hosting you still share a server with other customers, your operating system is set up as your own. And you have your own dedicated resources, so you're not sharing memory, CPU, or disk space with others. In essence, you have your own private server. While your website may run slightly faster on a VPS, the real advantages are the high availability of your site because you're not sharing your resources and are less susceptible to spikes in web traffic. Also, you have increased security since your website is better insulated from others on your server. VPS is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses that want to make sure your website is available and not affected by increased traffic and resource demands. E-commerce websites are also ideal candidates for VPS hosting. If you're considering a virtual private server, there are a number of things to keep in mind when you make the switch. First, I recommend you look for a managed VPS hosting plan. Now, in the past, having a virtual private server required more technical knowledge and expertise. These days, a lot of hosting companies are providing managed hosting plans that take care of setting things up for you, as well as software updates, security patches, and other maintenance. A managed VPS hosting plan can really save you time and make things easier for you. Now, unlike shared hosting, most VPS hosting plans don't include one-click automatic software installers, so it's a good idea for you to be comfortable with software installation and file management. For example, if you need WordPress, you would go to wordpress.org, download the software, and perform the installation yourself. Most hosting companies will provide a software installer for an additional fee, so if you really prefer to use an automated installer, you can, just be willing to pay the extra cost. And if you're switching from a shared hosting plan to VPS, be sure to update your email server names in your email clients. That way you'll be able to continue to send and receive mail without any issues. So, who provides the best VPS hosting? Here are two of our favorites. InMotion Hosting is the VPS plan that I personally use. I like the high availability hosting feature, which essentially combines the benefits of cloud hosting with VPS. Their managed hosting makes transitioning to a virtual private server much easier, and the website performance and support is excellent. Here's Will Miles, the data center manager at InMotion, talking about their VPS hosting in a recent interview that I did.
We have our high availability VPSs, one-click installs for customers. They can choose a variety of operating systems, and then by default everything is highly available. So one of the really nice bonuses of that would be that you can have fully replicated stuff on multiple servers. So in the event that there's some sort of a hardware malfunction or a software malfunction or whatever it may be, your stuff is live in multiple places and it will come live immediately as soon as it senses something, there's an issue somewhere.
A2 Hosting has one of the best selections of VPS hosting. If you're an experienced tech person, you can get their unmanaged VPS plan for a very low price. And if you want a managed VPS hosting plan, you can choose one with or without root access. In our testing, A2's VPS hosting is definitely one of the better performers. For more VPS hosting reviews, as well as our VPS hosting guide, VPS hosting secrets, and best VPS hosting recommendations, visit us at webhostingcat.com by clicking the link below. That's it for now. As always, thanks for watching and take care.